For everyone asking, is a 3D printed super safety still any good? The 3D printed super safety works. This is this is safe. As you can see, it's not going off. Well, the 3D printed super safety works just the same as the metal one, bro. It's just not as durable, which means you won't get as many shots out of it. And if I'm not mistaken, the original design was 3D printed. It was printed in like P8, C12, something like that, bro. Some type of carbon fiber. I'm pretty sure it's like carbon fiber nylon or something like that, bro. Don't quote me. I know it's a very like durable material, but the only difference between the 3D printed one and the metal one is literally the material, bro. You get way more shots out of it. Like the 3D printed ones are supposed to last, I'm pretty sure 500 shots, but that's if you printed it out of the filament and the settings. Most people aren't printing out of the filament and the settings, so you won't get the full 500 shots, but it's still not $150 like a metal one. So you could probably pick up a couple of them, something like that, but it works the exact same, bro. As you can see. Oh, shit. It works the exact same. And semi, you can't reset that trigger. Still works the exact same, bro. The only thing that you're changing is the material.